Hello guys, I'm JJ and welcome to the Trisio FAQ series. Here I give you some detailed answers to all the questions you may have during the creation of panoramas and tours with Trisio. Our topic today is how to change and upload NADIR via Trisio app and apply it to your panorama. So, let's kick off. First, open the Trisio 360 camera app. Make sure you're connected to the camera's Wi-Fi. Wait a minute, if you don't know how to set up the connection yet, please let us know in the comment. Okay, let's start. Step 1. Enter the shooting menu, which is the central red button. Step 2. Find the camera settings. That's the gear icon on the right below. Then you can't miss it. Click the NADIR logo section to change or upload. Now we can see that the camera is using the default NADIR with the Trisio brand. You can also choose not to set a NADIR, but then your tripod will appear in the panorama. Now let's try uploading a new one. Okay, so these 3 steps are all you need to do to upload or replace the NADIR. Now let's take a panorama with Trisio Lite 2 and see how it looks in the end. It looks like the shoot is complete, so let's move on to the album. By the way, album in the Trisio app indicates the photos in the phone, while camera obviously refers to the camera storage. Tap on the panorama we just taken and it will be downloaded from the camera memory to the phone. Oh wait, let's hold on there. We have learned to set up NADIR, but what should we do if we want to change the NADIR in the previous panorama? In fact, the 3 steps are the same as before, with the NADIR logo option in the shooting menu. Only after this, we have to do something slightly different. But first of all, I have to point out that the NADIR can only be changed if the photo has not been deleted from your camera's memory. If you have already deleted the image from your camera's memory, please just jump to the next subsection of this video. If you have already downloaded the panorama you want to edit, then you need to delete it from your phone album first. Otherwise, the app will not allow you to repeat the download. Right, let's just delete the image we just downloaded. Okay, now go back to the camera page and the image is ready to be re-downloaded. This download process takes about 30 seconds or more. Compared to the time it takes Trisio Lite 2 to capture a photo, which is less than 30 seconds. Would you think this download time is a bit too long? Well, I'll explain the reason in another video in the near future. Okay, you can see the panorama with the NADIR already changed. But the video doesn't end here. In the final part, we'll mention how NADIR should be modified if the source file has been deleted or cannot be found. From here, we'll need to use a computer with Photoshop. First, open the panorama you need to edit in Photoshop. Find 3D menu at the top, then Sphere Panorama, Import Panorama. After a short wait, the panorama is switched to a 3D view. Drag the mouse so that the NADIR is right in the middle of the screen. Click on File menu, place Embedded, and select your NADIR image. Zoom it to the right size. You can then use the shortcut Ctrl-E to merge the NADIR layer with the panorama layer. The final step is to find the 3D menu again and select Export Panorama. Let's take a look. Of course, the NADIR has been changed. That's all for this video, and thanks for watching. We'll keep updating, so don't forget to subscribe. What other questions do you have about daily use of Trisio? Just feel free to drop us a line in the comment. We'll see you next time.